Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one platform. It's called joinDeleteMe.com. So you might have your various personal information that is there across the internet. So using DeleteMe, you can remove traces of this information. So DeleteMe is your personal data assistant which will help you to remove this information from the web. So DeleteMe makes it quick and easy and safe to remove your personal data online. So how does DeleteMe works? So you can say goodbye to your complex enrollment procedures and hello to a seamless process experience. That's what they claim. So you can submit your personal information for removal from search engines and data broker site. So their experts search for it. DeleteMe experts find and remove your personal information. So you can see the sites covered by DeleteMe. So this is the list sites we remove on. See all these websites. So they will remove the information from all this website. So that is pretty useful. So receive a detailed DeleteMe report in 7 days. So this is what you will receive. You can get scans and deletion all year. So we remove all this data exposed by data brokers. So this is the privacy report sample. So this is not a sponsored video. I found this information across the web and I thought like a lot of private information of people might be lying over the internet and they may not have the technical know how to remove this information from various websites. That is when they can use such a functionality or feature to get it removed. So there is DIY opt-out guides. So this is do it yourself. So at DeleteMe, we are happy to help you protect and regain your online privacy. We compiled a list of data brokers along with an opt-out guide for each data broker website. Doing this yourself won't cost you anything. However, it can take hours to go through each website and remove the personal information for just one person, let alone an entire family. So they have created do-it-yourself guide for all the websites that they have. So this is their DIY guide. So you can do it yourself. It won't cost you anything, or you can hire them to get it done. So they also have this for businesses, I guess, the intersection of privacy and security. If any business critical information is out there, so for example board members and executives are targeted and harassed by cyber attacks, phishing attacks, so all this information can be removed. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.